subscriber, welcome back to the channel. And if you are a new subscriber, hi, my name is Daria and thanks for clicking on this video. On my channel, I film videos like Etsy related studio vlogs. I also film a bunch of lifestyle videos. So if any of that sounds interesting, make sure you stay a while. So in today's video, I will be actually introducing a new part, I guess, of my life to my YouTube channel. I am going to be filming a series / diaries of me working from home. So recently I got a part-time job. I was doing part-time Instacart if any of you watched my previous videos, but I kind of just wanted to get something a little bit more consistent. So I got a part-time job. It is a corporate job. I will be working as a retention specialist in a insurance company. Today will be the first episode of like my diaries working from home. As I stated, it is part-time, which means I will only be doing it for about 6 hours a day, and it'll be about 3 days out of the week, or no, 4 days out of the week. My training does start today, which is why I decided to film today. Now, it is 80% work from home, 20% in office. So that means today I'll be going in the office to like pick my equipment up. Now, a fun fact is that I did work for this company before, so I kind of already know like what it's going to be about, although I was in a different position, so obviously it is going to be quite different since I'm in a different position. But I already know for the most part about the equipment and everything, so I will be picking that up today, and I'll try my hardest to film. I don't know how much I will be able to film actually there, just because it's my first day and I don't really know where I'm going because the building is different from the building that I was in before. My shift will be second shift, so it'll be like 3:30 to 9-ish p.m. But today I'll be going at like 5:45. That's just when they have me picking up my equipment. Like that's what time they put me down for. So I got quite a bit of time. It's only 10:53 right now. Also, later in the video or at any point if you're wondering why I might look weird, I do have a waist trainer on that I've been wearing, so if you're wondering or see anything weird, then that's why. Okay, you guys, so the very first thing that I honestly need to do to prepare for this first day is get my desk situation set up. So in the apartment I live in, it's actually kind of still like a college like apartment. I have graduated already, but we just haven't moved yet. So I have to put my desk in the living room because that's where the like Ethernet and everything is, where I'm going to connect it to. So let me show you the desk that I'll be moving into the living room right now. So this desk is actually obviously in the Etsy bedroom, and this is all marble paper, by the way. This desk did not come like this. But I will be moving this in the living room so that I can have this to put my work setup on. I'm going to have to take my heat press off of this and then move these two somewhere. I'm not really quite sure what I'm going to do with this area or where I'm going to put my heat press. For now, I'm just going to probably put it on the floor, and then I will move this desk into the other room. So we're going to do that right now, real quick on camera. Guys, so I managed to get this desk from my room into like the living room area. So I'm going to show you where I will be placing the desk real quick. This is the corner after I pick that stuff up. Actually, let's just pick it up right now. This is my weighted hula hoop. And then this is just my little desk for like laptop or eating. Don't need that right now. But yeah, so this is where I'm going to put the desk. I'm going to move this, probably use this to put my heat press on, I think. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Excuse the clothes that need to be folded, but I'm going to put the desk right here, and then the Ethernet is going to be back here. Okay guys, I got my desk all wiped off and ready for my equipment when I go pick it up. There is one thing that I did order for my desk that actually delivered today. It's like the keyboard wrist, like rester. I don't even know what it's called. I just made that up. But you put your wrist on the like soft, like padded thing for when you're typing on your keyboard and using your mouse. So I got that. And I want to go pick that up from the Amazon locker, and I'll do a little unboxing once I get back to the apartment. I am back from the, okay y'all, I just got real confused because there is a different name on here, but on this side it has my name on it, so I don't know if this is who sent it to me, but this is an Amazon package, so I've never seen that before, but that is a little weird. But anyways, I'm back from the Amazon locker, going to show you what I ordered. Alright, so it's a wrist rest. That's what I couldn't figure out earlier. A wrist rest keyboard and mouse 2-pack. It's by Gorilla Grip. And it's from Amazon, like I said. So I'm gonna open this, show you guys what it looks like. Oh yeah, and not to mention, I did get a pink one because I thought it was cute. Oh, it's in here. So this is just what it looks like. Super basic. This one is for the wrist, which I actually have one for my wrist. And it's a little bit bigger than this one, but I think I might just use this one because it matches. So I don't know if it goes this way or this way. Probably this way. So then you'll use the mouse and your wrist will be okay. The first time I did like working from home, I really hurt, like not really hurt my wrist, but I don't know what hurt my wrist, but my wrist was hurting for like a long time, and I was at first doing a 9 to 5, so this might not be as bad because I'm doing way less hours, but I still wanted to get it to be on the safe side, so hopefully I don't hurt my wrist. And then this one goes right in front of the actual keyboard, and this is for like when you're typing. So yeah, these look great, exactly what I expected. They feel pretty good, and I feel like they will be worth it. Like this actually, I don't know if you can tell, but it like comes right back up, memory foam-ish. So yeah, it is only $11.20, and like I said, I don't have to go in until 5:45. We pretty much have the whole day, the rest of the day. I don't think I'm gonna do too much besides figure out where I'm gonna put like my heat press and everything. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm doing something, I guess, like sort of work related. It is now 4:07. And I do have to fix my hair a little bit, but I am getting ready to, I think I have about an hour. It's about a 20-minute drive, so the GPS says, even though I thought it was a little bit closer than that. But we'll just stick with what the GPS says. So I wanted to show you guys real quick what I'll be wearing. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting on this like white cardigan with these black and white just like pants or slacks or whatever you want to call them, and then I'm wearing this like little peplum top, this like black top that flares out at the bottom. I am going to be there probably not that long, to be honest. As I stated earlier, I'm supposed to be just picking up equipment. I think they're gonna help me set up in the computer so that when I bring it home it won't be as difficult to like sign on. Other than that, they're just gonna send me home with all the equipment. So I probably am gonna be changing out of this outfit real quick, but obviously you want to make a first impression. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'll be right back. guys, so we are back with the outfit on. I don't even know where I got half this outfit from, so I'm not even about to attempt to explain where I got it because I honestly don't remember. But I have my little like cardigan sweater that I'm gonna put on probably closer to when I leave. And then for shoes, I'm wearing these very much old and dirty Sperry's that I got a long time ago. I have no idea where or when, but I'm gonna put these on, and then I'll just be wearing my basic purse, which honestly doesn't really matter because I won't be there long. But that is the work outfit for my first day. Honestly, it's work from home, so I probably won't be dressing like this on a regular day basis, but yeah, like I said, first impressions matter. So we're gonna get our shoes on. Oh, y'all, this box is heavy. I'm so out of breath. Be right back. Okay. I'm back, guys. Whew. Let me catch my breath. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back and I have caught my breath. It is 7:05 p.m. I just got back from work. Obviously, I did not film. There was no way for me to film, and it was dark outside anyways, so you guys probably wouldn't have been able to see it anyways. But I got some information. This is just like books because the job position that I have, I do have to pass like a licensing test. So this is stuff for me to study with. And then I have this big old box with my name on it, as you can see, that has like the monitors and everything for me to set up with. So I do have to do that and get logged in. Typically I'm supposed to work till 9:30, but he said that we're not doing that tonight. We're just gonna set the monitors up, and then tomorrow we'll start back up at 3:30. I think to 9:30 at our regular time. So we're gonna get this all set up. I'm gonna set my desk up all nice, and I probably won't do a like desk tour until my next video, but I will just go ahead and like set everything up for this video to end off the video. I didn't really do much for work besides pick my equipment up, so didn't really have too much to show. But this is going to be a diaries is what I'm going to title it. So you'll see multiple work from home vlogs coming soon, part-time work from home. So subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and we are going to get into setting this up. Also, you guys, I ended up moving my desk. They did tell me that we were going to be using Skype for like for video chat, or not Skype, it's actually Zoom we're going to be using, but I would rather my background just be this plain white wall than like the background of my actual like apartment. I didn't want that to be in the background, so that's why I ended up switching it to like the side so that this could be the background. So yeah. Okay guys, so as you just saw, I completed the overall setup for now of my work from home area. I am gonna add to it a little bit later, but it is now 8:25 p.m. and I am about ready to eat. I do need to get used to the schedule because typically I wouldn't be getting off till between 9 and 9:30, but that is all for now. This is gonna be a diaries, as I said earlier. Follow me along on this journey. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.